Hello everyone, and today we are going to study human health and disease. एक्चुअली मैं अभी बस ह्यूमन हेल्थ और डिजीज़ का रीडिंग करूँगी. अगर आप लोग को पसंद आए ये वीडियो प्लीज़ कमेंट और सब्सक्राइब कीजिएगा. ह्यूमन हेल्थ एंड डिजीज़. Health for a long time was considered as a state of body and mind where there was a balance of certain humors. This is what early Greek like Hippocrates as well as Indian Ayurveda system of medicine asserted. It was thought that person with black will belonged to hot personality and could have fevers. This idea was arrived at by pure reflective thought. The discovery of blood circulation by William Harvey using experimental method and the demonstration of normal body temperature in person with black will using thermometer disproved the good humor hypothesis of health. In later year, biology stated that mind influence through neural system and endocrine system, our immune system, and that our immune system maintain our health. Hence, mind and mental state can affect our health. Of course, health is affected by genetic disorders, deficiencies with which a child is born, and deficiency defect which the child inherited from parents from birth. Second, infection. Third, lifestyle including food and water we take, rest and exercise we give to our body, habits that we have or lack, etc. In this phase, student must consider two things: good humors given by Greek like early Greek like Hippocrates and Indian Ayurvedic system of medicine. And this good humor disproved by William Harvey, which discovered blood circulation by the experimental method and using the thermometer to measure the body temperature. And they say this if people have a fever, its temperature goes up, and which are not due to the people that are live in a hot temperature or black will personality. Everybody have same body temperature. If they are black, if they are white, if they have a black will. Come to next page. The term health is very frequently used by everybody. How do we define it? Health does not simply mean absence of disease or physical fitness. It could be defined as a state of complete physical, mental, and social well-being. When people are healthy, they are more efficient at work. This increases productivity and brings economic prosperity. Health also increases longevity of people and reduce infant and maternal mortality. Balanced diet, personal hygiene, regular exercise are very important to maintain good health. Yoga has been practiced since the immemorial to achieve physical and mental health. Awareness about disease and their effect on different body function, vaccination against infection disease, proper disposal of waste, control of vector, and maintenance of hygienic food and water resource are necessary for achieving good health. When the functioning of one or more organ or system of body is adversely affected, characterized by various signs and symptoms, we say that we are not healthy, that is we have a disease. Disease can be broadly grouped into infectious and non-infectious. Diseases which are easily transmitted from one person to another are infectious disease. Infectious disease are very common and every one of us suffer from these at some times or other. Some of the infectious disease like AIDS are fatal. Among non-infectious disease, cancer is major cause of death. Drugs, alcohol abuse also affected our health adversely. In this para, we have to remember about health. Health is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being. If persons are completely physically, mentally and socially fit, then they could be said that the person is healthy. And second thing must be remember about type of disease, infectious or non-infectious, in which AIDS are fatal. And nowadays cancers are major cause of death. Also in India, the 2 point must be remember everyone. Now, common disease in human. A wide range of organisms belonging to bacteria, virus, fungi, protista, protozoans, helminthes, etc. could cause diseases in man. Such disease causing organisms are called pathogenic. Most parasites are therefore pathogen as they cause harm to the host by living in or on them. The pathogens can enter our body by various means, multiply and interfere host. For example, the pathogens that enter the gut must know a way of surviving in the stomach at low pH and resisting the various digestive enzyme. A few representative members from different group of pathogenic organisms are discussed here along with the disease caused by them. Preventive and control measures against these disease in general are also verified described. Salmonella typhi. Salmonella typhi is a pathogenic bacterium which causes typhoid fever in human being. These pathogens generally enter the small intestine organ through the blood. Sustain high fever 39 to 40 degrees Celsius. Weakness, stomach pain, constipation, headache and loss of appetite are some of the common symptoms of this disease. Intestinal perforation and death may occur in several cases. Typhoid fever could be confirmed by widal test. A classic case in medicine, that of Mary Mellon, nicknamed Typhoid Mary, is worth mentioning here. She was a cook by profession and was a typhoid carrier who continued to spread typhoid for several years through the food she prepared. Point to be noted here. Typhoid fever was typhoid fever is caused by bacteria. And which bacteria? That's salmonella typhi, which affect our small intestine. Typhoid infect small intestine. In typhoid, um, in typhoid, persons suffer from high fever, 39 to 40 degrees Celsius. They feel weakness, stomach pain, constipation, headache. These are common symptoms of typhoid. In typhoid fever, in several cases where intestinal perforation occur due to salmonella typhi, in that case, people may goes from there, they can pass. And this typhoid fever is confirmed by a test that is called a widal test, and also about some history about how the typhoid spreads in classical case in medicine. That is here mentioned a name of Cook. She is Mary Mellon, who spreads typhoid fever several years. That is mentioned in ncert. Okay.